Joining a meeting. Now there are several ways that you can join a meeting. Once you're inside your classroom, you may scroll down to your feed. You will see that the meeting is showing up for you, and if it is 10 minutes before the meeting is supposed to start, the join meeting button will appear and you may click it. It will take you directly to your meeting. Now, if there are meetings that have not yet reached that 10-minute mark, there will still just be a countdown and no join meeting button. Now, this meeting is set for 9:30 p.m. It is 9:03, so my join meeting button has appeared. Another way you may join your session is by clicking on Zoom Live, scrolling down, and looking for upcoming meetings. Now, the most recent meeting is the test meeting, and again, you find your join meeting button at the bottom. If you were to click on the other meetings that are still upcoming, a timer but no join meeting button. That join meeting button will only show up 10 minutes before the meeting is supposed to start. Another way you can do it is by looking at your notifications. If you click your notifications, it should be in there if you have not missed the timeline. So if it's 10 minutes before or it's closer to the time, it will be in your notification section. Now, if you have missed the time and there is no join meeting button because for whatever reason you were just a little bit late in joining, you can click on the link that is here to take you directly to the meeting. Now, I'm not going to open the meetings button, but that would have taken you to your meeting. That is the same in terms of the feed. If you had missed and the join meeting button is no longer here, you may click meeting details, click your link, and it will take you to the meeting that is ongoing. And those are the different ways that you may join your Zoom meeting from your classroom.